In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradients in Figma: linear, radial, angular, diamond. Let's get started by heading to the Figma website. Once you're on figma.com, open the design file you want to work on. If you're starting fresh or just want something to practice with, create a simple shape on your canvas, like a rectangle, circle, or frame. Gradients work great on any vector shape, so pick whatever makes sense for your layout. With your shape selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Fill section. By default, it's usually set to solid. Click on the color thumbnail to open the color panel, then switch from solid to gradient. You'll see a drop-down for gradient types. Click the small arrow to reveal your options and choose the style you want: linear, radial, angular, or diamond. Let's walk through how to adjust each one. For linear gradients, you'll see a line on your shape with two endpoints. Drag these endpoints to control direction and length. Rotate the line to change the angle and use the color stops in the Fill panel to pick your colors. You can add more stops by clicking along the slider, reorder them by dragging, and adjust opacity for subtle fades. For a radial gradient, Figma gives you an ellipse you can move and resize. Drag the center to position the highlight and pull the handles to change the spread. This is great for creating soft lighting effects or spotlight looks. Angular gradients sweep around in a circle, creating a rotating blend of colors. Adjust the center point and rotate the control to set where the gradient begins. This is ideal for dynamic, circular motion or modern UI accents. Diamond gradients radiate from the center in a four-sided shape. Move the center to position the focal point and adjust the handles to control how sharply the color expands. It's useful for giving depth to icons or backgrounds without harsh edges. Anytime you're adjusting a gradient, focus on balance and contrast. Keep enough contrast for text to remain readable on top, and try limiting yourself to 2 or 3 colors for a cleaner look. If the transition feels harsh, slightly lower the opacity of one stop or space your stops more evenly. You can always reset or tweak by dragging the handles and stops until it feels right. When you're happy with the result, you're done. You've successfully created and customized gradients in Figma using linear, radial, angular, and diamond styles.